अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 5 द पीस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। द रिच पीपल गैदर्ड एट अ बिग हॉल टू वॉच अ शो, फॉर अ डिस्कशन, टू हियर अ लेक्चर, फॉर अ ग्रेट मील। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, फॉर अ ग्रेट मील। What was the public statement made by the drum beater? Option A, those of the black leather pocket book containing money and business paper. Option B, open invitation for dinner. Option C, to enjoy a concert. Option D, sale of a building. Option A is the correct option, laws of the black leather pocket book containing money and business paper. Mr. Hubbard was surprised and disturbed when the police officer asked him to accompany him to option A, the police station, option B, the mayor's office, option C, the court, option D, the airport. Option B is the correct option, the mayor's office. By my word of honor, I never heard of it means option A, that he never saw it. Option B, being an honorable man, he did not pick up the lost object. Option C, an honorable person never thought of picking up a lost object. Option D, he never heard of the lost object. Option B is the correct option. Being an honorable man, he did not pick up the lost object. By my word of honor, I never heard of it means option A, that he never saw it. Option B, being an honorable man, he did not pick up the lost object. Option C, an honorable person never thought of picking up a lost object. Option D, he never heard of the lost object. Option D is the correct option. Being an honorable man, he did not pick up the lost object. What did Hubert say in the most exasperating tone? Option A, he never stole the pocketbook. Option B, he picked up a piece of string. Option C, it is nevertheless truth of the good God, the sacred truth. Option D, oh him, yes, he saw me pick up this string here. Option C is the correct option, it is nevertheless truth of the good God, the sacred truth. What were the feelings of Hubert when he was informed of the recovery of the lost object he felt? Option A, disgusted. Option B, triumphed. Option C, indifferent. Option D, concerned. Option B is the correct option, triumphed. But he only met with incredulity, means that he was believed. Option A, telling the truth. Option B, lying. Option C, showing his faith. Option D, gentleman. Option B is the correct option, lying. What did the people say behind his back? Option A, those are lame excuses. Option B, he is innocent. Option C, he is unreliable. Option D, a man of loose character. Option A is the correct option. Those are lame excuses. What did Hubert feel? Option A, a grace of personality. Option B, shame and disgrace to his self-esteem and character. Option C, truthful. Option D, trustworthy. Option D is the correct option, shame and disgrace to his self-esteem and character. What were the last words Hubert uttered before his death? Option A, a piece of string, a piece of string. Option B, by my word of honor, I did not lie. Option C, I picked up a pocketbook. Option D, I handed over the pocketbook to its owner. Option A is the correct option, a piece of string, a piece of string. Question number 2 है mark the sentences true or false. Everybody's mouth was watered on the sight of wealth. False. The finder of the pocketbook will be rewarded. It is true. He drew out the little pocketbook from his pocket. It is false. Mr. Hubbard was pleased to hear the allegation. False. The people greeted Hubbard when he came out of the office of the mayor. False. George found the pocketbook and gave it to Hubbard. False. The people believed the reason Hubert gave to prove his innocence. False. The people started to tell the story of the string to amuse themselves. True. A great flood carried away the people. True. Nothing but the flood proved Hubert's innocence. True. Question number 3 है answer the following questions. Why did Manana accuse Hubert of picking the lost pocketbook? इसका आंसर है Manana accused the old man because he had seen the latter picking something from the ground. He thought that the old man had picked up the pocketbook. Second है what did the people think of Hubert when they heard that someone had returned the pocketbook? इसका आंसर है people did not believe the old man's statement. They said that those were the lying excuse. Rather, they made fun of the old man. Third है why did George give the pocketbook to his employer? इसका आंसर है as George did not know how to read, he gave the pocketbook to his employer. What made Hubert shameful? इसका आंसर है people considered the old man to be a liar. This made him shameful. Why did the people make fun his innocence? इसका आंसर है the old man was a poor countryman. People did not bother whether he was innocent or not. Why did he keep claiming innocence till his death? इसका आंसर है he was a man of honor. People considered him to be a liar. This hurt his soul. Therefore, he kept on trying to prove his innocence till death. Question number 4 है answer the following questions in 100 to 150 words. Write down a note on the character of Hubert. इसका आंसर है Hubert is a man of honor. He loves his reputation. For him nothing is more shameful than to be called a liar. Write 10 lines on the mentality of the people who did not believe Hubert. इसका आंसर है they were rough village people. They did not have the sense to respect their fellow countrymen. They rather laughed at him. Why did the mayor not believe the innocence of Hubert? इसका आंसर है Mr. Manana claimed that he had seen the old man picking up the purse. The mayor considered him to be trustworthy man, so he could not believe the old man. Was it necessary for Hubert to continue pleading his innocence? इसका आंसर है the old man was an honest man. He loved his honor, but he had lost it. So it was necessary for him to keep on trying to uphold his honor. Question number 5 है what suggestions can you give to Hubert to save him from such a humiliating situation? इसका आंसर है he must have known that we live among cruel and selfish people. They do not bother about the feelings of others, so he should have compromised. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है fill in the correct preposition. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस भी दिए हुए हैं जैसे कि on, to, of, at, from. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है he was walking dash of public square. यहाँ पे from भी आ सकता है, of भी आ सकता है. He was walking from the public square या ऐसे भी हम कह सकते हैं he was walking off the public square. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट है then he pretended to be looking dash something dash the ground. फर्स्ट में आएगा at और सेकेंड ब्लैंक में आएगा on. Then he pretended to be looking at something on the ground. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है they had decided dash purchase. इसकी ब्लैंक में आएगा on. They had decided on purchase. फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट है the finder is requested dash return the same. इसकी ब्लैंक में आएगा to. The finder is requested to return the same. फिफ्थ है George claimed dash have found the pocket book. इसकी ब्लैंक में आएगा to. George claimed to have found the pocket book. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है पंक्चुएट द फॉलोइंग लाइंस। यहाँ पे आपको इसकी पंक्चुएशन करके दे दी गई है। आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक करें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।